Hello students, good morning. Once again I welcome you in the today's science class. As you know, last time we completed one part of the our question answer, that is the differentiate between. Today we are going to start our work with the one question, that heading is the give reasons. Questions are available in the book or we are here providing you directly the answer. Our question, that is the G, or its name is give regions. This is our question, in which answer number first. Before it, we want to know that what is our question. Question is, wool is used as a winter clothing. Why? Once again, our question is, wool is used as a winter clothing, or give reasons means why. Our answer is in this way. Wool is used as a winter clothing because it acts as an insulator and does not allow body heat and does not allow body heat to escape out. To escape. This is your answer number first. You know that wool is used as a winter clothing. This language coming from the question, or our answer starts from because it acts as an insulator and does not allow body heat to escape. This is your answer number first. Now, next question is what? Please look. Next one is, sericulture is opposed by the people working for animal protection. Try to understand what is the means. Sericulture process opposed by some people who's working for regarding to the animal protection. Why? Answer is in this manner. Sericulture is opposed by the people working for animal protection. Because in sericulture, silkworms are killed. In sericulture, because in sericulture, silkworms are killed. Silkworms are killed for the production of silk. For the production of silk मीन्स आपको समझ में आ गया, सेरीकल्चर प्रोसेस के अंदर सिल्क ऑब्टेन करने के लिए सिल्क वर्म को किल करना पड़ता है। इसलिए एनिमल प्रोटेक्शन के लिए जो लोग काम करते हैं वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, वो ग्रुप इस चीज को अपोज करते हैं। नाउ आंसर नंबर 3। The workers working in woolen industry suffer from shorter's disease. Why? Answer is in this way. Workers sorry for it, answer is different or question is also different. Number 3 is silkworms are killed by placing the cocoons in hot water. Why? This is our third question. Answer is silkworms are killed by placing cocoons in hot water to loosen the silk fiber. To loosen the silk fiber. Your main answer is only to loosen the silk fiber. Remaining language coming from the question. Please observe the complete answer. Silkworm are killed by placing cocoons in hot water. This is the question language. Our main answer is to loosen the silk fiber. Okay, in this manner our question answer number 1, 2, 3 is complete. Now we remove question number 1 and 2 and writing in that place next answer. Yes. Now our answer number 4. And question is, the workers working in woolen industry suffer from the shorter's disease. Now look on the board. The workers working in woolen industries industries suffer from Shorter's disease suffer from Shorter's disease because they get infected because they get infected by the bacteria anthrax. By the bacteria anthrax, because they get infected by the bacteria anthrax. Now answer number 5. First we observe the question. Caterpillars need to shed their skin. Why? Answer is in this way. Caterpillars need to shed their skin, need to shed their skin for the growth and development, for the growth and development of living being. Yes, caterpillar need to shed their skin for the, यहाँ से होगा आंसर, for the growth and development of living being. Okay, thank you very much. This is the end of our this writing matter, and we will complete next work in the next class. Thank you very much.